What?
Hey, Buck, what are you doing?
I'm going to get dressed.
Get dressed for what?
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat, that's right. What are you gonna be, Buck?
A pirate.
What is that?
Oh no!
Buck, why do you want to be a pirate for Halloween? Buck, are you gonna make them walk the plank? All those that don't give you candy?
Oh no! You are gone! You know what? You were going. Let go it. You are going. Let go it. Let go it. Let go of me, I say.
What is that, Buck? Is that your shirt? Hey, I like it, Buck. Buck, you want to put your hat on?
Sure.
Now you're a pirate. What else you got in there, Buck? Hey, Buck, what am I?
A karate.
Hiya!
Hiya!